All right, appreciate you clicking on this video. Like, subscribe, all the stuff down below. So what I wanted to do, we're about a month and a half away from the first Shot 3D event. That's going to be in Louisiana this year. It's an awesome event, awesome location. It was a blast last year. So I wanted to reshare the video from last year, but kind of as a look back at it. You know, I don't think things will be exactly the same. So it's not like, you know, what happened last year will be what happens this year. But if you're on the fence and you're thinking about going, you're in South Arkansas, Northern Louisiana, East Texas, Mississippi, wherever you're at, Oklahoma, and you're thinking about making the trip down there, hopefully this video, you can watch this video and you go, that looks like a blast. I could do these shots, or I could do the easier courses maybe, and just get a little bit of an idea of the course. I didn't shoot great at the course. I had some issues out with my sight that I figured out when I got back, but I had an absolute blast at this event, and it's at a really cool like off-road park. So I highly recommend you come down and check it out. You'll have a blast. I'll be there running around, so if you see me, say hi. All the dudes at Shot 3D are super great people. You'll really enjoy yourself there. It's very welcoming, and it's just, you know, down home. So check out the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment. I hope to see you at the Shot 3D in Louisiana at the end of February, beginning of March. So I'll be looking for you down there. Have a good one. Shot 3D Louisiana. It is early. The sun is not up. Could not shoot a bow right now. But had a blast yesterday on the Tybo course. I think today I'm shooting the Rolling Bones course. I think it's supposed to be pretty cool too. So the allergies and dust are killing me. So hoping get some water, kind of clear up a little bit, and get back to full speed. But been a pretty cool event so far. Weather's been good, a little windy, but been sunny and cool. Just cool in the morning and perfect during the middle of the day. So been really cool so far. If you hadn't checked out one of these events, you definitely need to do so. Here we go. All right, day 2, Rolling Bones course. I'm dragging today. Target 1. What we got here? A wolf. Rolling Bones course, not near the hike that I was on yesterday. It's earlier today. I didn't wait as long. It's kind of a cold morning, cold windy morning. This one is not as long of a hike. I don't think it has as long of a shots. Good shots, obviously, starting off at 76 yards or whatever, but no 120-yard bombs or anything. So, a little easier course today for day 2, because I'm dragging today. It's pollen and dust in the air is wearing me out. 76 yards right in the old heart. Always a good deal. One thing about Shot 3D that I really like, because there are no knock times, you just show up. If you get here early enough or late enough, you don't have other people stacked in behind you, rushing you at each target. One of the things I don't like about TAC is there's always a group right behind you, and they're not rushing you, but well, you feel like you're rushed, or at least I do. And it forces me to take some bad shots, not take my time. So that's just one other thing to think about. Now, if you come in the middle of the day, you're probably going to have some people on the course with you, but it is nice to be able to come out here in the morning when it's nice and cool and calm, and not have people stacked in all over you. 48 yards, a little back, but when you're just shooting to kill, that's a good shot by my standards. So this is the bridge we got to cross to get to the other side. Interesting. Very small for a 70-yard shot. Oh, went right under it. I'm getting 74, 72, and 70. So I don't know what distance that was. Not good on target 3, already be missing like that. Not even tired yet. One thing, if you watched my video about my pack dump, you probably remember what I said about a lightweight, like merino wool hoodie, because it's going to get warm. You're out hiking around. This is small enough I can pack it in here, and it doesn't weigh much. Target 4, and I'm already warm. And of course, some kind of hydration. I didn't have a clue where the 10 ring was. It's actually just a little low. I just shot this like I would shoot a bear if I saw one, which was in the chest. So that's where I was aiming. Cool target. That's a big bear. The camera doesn't express how tight this is. Grass just everywhere. But it snuck through. Decent shot, shoulder shot. Man, hate to miss a 40-yard shot like that, high and back, but follow my guess. Those are cool targets. If I hit that grass or what? Dang. Felt pretty good about 55. The worst start to a 3D course I've ever had. It's a challenging course, so I mean it's, you know, kind of to be expected, but it missed 2 targets now. In 7 targets, I've missed 2 of them. That sucks. Cool target. I don't know, jeez. Yeah, good shot on that one. The Louisiana bugs are out. A little back, a little low. Sounded loud, like I hit a leg steak or something. Well, I just barely got it. Whew. That's about as low as you can get. I think something's off on my sight tape or my peep or something. Just about 12 ringed that one. Right in that armpit like I wanted. Definitely hitting low consistently. Consistently low. That's a small target. See, one thing I've got to do is slow down. Late in these courses, you're getting tired, shaky. It's so easy. Just punch the trigger. And I've got to make myself slow down, work my hinge. The shakier I get, the more punchy I get. So I'm gonna take a break, get a drink, eat a bar, just to try to get some carbs in me, maybe some sugars, and settle down. So I think I got 6 more to go. So try not to lose an arrow on these next 6. 84 yards. Well, if I can slow down, the bow does its job perfectly. 84 yards right in the heart, right where I wanted it. Not necessarily a 10 ring, but definitely where I was anticipating a kill shot being. Awesome. Cool target. All right, here's something up for debate. At TAC, shot 3D events like this, you shoot for kill shots or do you shoot for score? I personally just shoot for kill shots. I don't even bino to see where the 10 ring is. I just shoot where I think their heart and lungs would be. Is that the proper way to do it? Or should you be shooting for 10 rings and keeping score? So leave me a comment down below. To each their own. There's not a wrong answer. But just what are you doing? That's right where I wanted to hit on this demon coyote. Perfect. He's dead. Whew, just barely. Man, been aiming low, but I'm definitely hitting low for lower than I'm aiming. If my peep got moved or what. So I'm definitely coming in low, lower than I should. I about missed that one. The joys of self-filming. I don't think I can slide down that with a bow and a camera and get up the other side. So I think I'm gonna go over here and try to cross this tree, which looks snaky as hell. But I think it's the safer bet. Shot 16, Javelina. Good shot on it, even hitting a limb. 12 ringed it. Maybe an inch or two low, but right about where I was aiming. And the theme of the day is low. Low on the turkey. This turkey survived. Still in foam, but a little low. 50 something yards through the tight. What the heck is this? If anybody knows what this is in the woods of Louisiana, let me know. Leave a comment. That's strange. So I'm glad I added that extra half yard, just right below the 12 ring. It's kind of crazy how today I'm doing better on the second half and horrible on the first half. Yesterday it was the opposite. All right, 79 yard, 78 yard and a half shot on whatever this is. That's right where I was aiming, just kind of in that heart right in there. Just good way to end it. Fun course, fun weekend. Cool target right there. All right, if I hadn't said it already, appreciate you clicking on the video and watching. If you like archery content, you're in the right spot. You definitely need to like, subscribe, stick around, leave a comment. That helps the algorithm a ton, and I really appreciate it. If you haven't been to one of these Shot 3D events, you need to check one out. They're going to be in 3 different states. The next couple months, 2 or 3 months, they're going to be in the next 3 states. It's going to be Arkansas, Kansas, and Oklahoma. Check those out. They're a good time. They've got courses of all different levels. So I shot the hardest 2 courses, I believe. They have 3 other courses. One of them's like max 40. Another one's a max 60 yard range. I mean, it's got a little bit of something for everybody. So bring your kids, check it out. It's a really fun area. They got a lot of fun games, kids games. You don't even have to hit anything for a kid to win something potentially. So really cool. If I can get out of this tree. Really cool events, good people, cool targets that you're not going to see anywhere else. So definitely check them out. Follow them on all their socials. Check me out on Instagram as well while you're at it. Appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, stick around.